Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a sticky repeat header row in a Google Docs table. So here I'm going to make a table first, and I'm going to show you how or what I mean by sticky repeat header row. So here I'm going to add a header or the title, for example, one. Oops. Okay, so let's say that this is the title of the each column, and you probably want to make it like in every page, this one's right here. So rather than you make a new table over and over again, because there is no freeze option, so I'll show you in Google Sheets. There is a feature called freeze, so you can just drag this, and then after that, when you scroll down, this right here, this header will be always be there. So when you print it, when you print, for example, the document, it will always be there at the top, like here. So you can see at every page, this header will always be there. And while in Google Docs, this feature is not there. So I'm gonna find you, or I'm gonna give you a solution of how you can do this. So for example, I want to I want to add more column into it, like in so now you can see, oops, there is like this. I made like a table until page 2, and you see the in this page 2, it won't show the header here. So I'm gonna show you how you make the repeat row header. So you can just copy this row and then click on the header in here, double click, and then you can just paste it and delete this part. And let's see at the page 2, it will always be there, the header row. Now there is the header row in every page like this. So when you print it, the header row will always be on the page like this. Okay guys, so I think that's all. That is how you can make a sticky repeat header row. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye!